is I always go to the community feed right
Okay.
here. It's going to be on your homepage. And this is where I go to get my inspiration. This is where I go to kind of see what other people are creating. If I see a
Mhm.
designer or somebody that's just like, creating some fire artwork like this right here, like, okay, man, how did they create that? Let me go and click it because, okay, it's like, how did they create this? So I'm like, man, you know what? I gotta bookmark this, man. This image is super dope, you know.
Mhm. Mhm.
So and then on your left hand side, you can always go to your bookmarks to reference the things that images you found dope, or
Okay.
in your community feed, you can always just click, and you can actually be like, you know what? Let me take a look at some of the other stuff that they've created
Mhm.
in the explore related and be like, you know what? This is a person I need to follow. I need to follow their stuff and follow their journey. You could follow
Okay.
right here as well, and that will come up in your personal feed. Your personal feed is everybody you follow. Your bookmarks is going to be specific images that you want to go and find. So, but let's
Ah,
go back.
okay.
Go back to the community feed. You got three tabs: hot, new, top. So all three tabs are going to look super different.
Mhm.
So let's say, top right hand corner, this portrait of let's go ahead and click it. Portrait of an Asian old chief warrior, tribal panther makeup, blue, red side profile. You know what? This is super
Mhm.
dope, man. I want to create, I want to use their prompts and I want to kind of create my own thing. The first thing I would do is go to these three dots right here.
Okay.
And I have two options. I could copy full command or I could copy prompts. What full command means is you see how this is a vertical, has like a vertical layout,
Right.
versus like a square layout. The default is
Mhm.
square. So if I wanted to copy just everything about this, I could copy full command. And when I place it inside Discord to create, it's actually, even though I'm copying all of the description, all of these words, it's still going to spit out something entirely different.
Right.
So
Okay.
full prompt just means, hey, we're going to still create something different, but it's just going to be in our default square image. So that's the difference between copy full command and copy full prompt. So what I want to do is I
Mhm.
want to copy full command because I want a nice vertical image. I want a nice, portrait, image.